So this is question number 2.2 from class 11 physics NCERT. Okay, what the question is saying, there's a student A who is living at T, and there's a student B who is living at Q, and they are starting from the school that is origin O. Okay, now the question is, which one of them lives closer to the school? Okay, whether A lives closer to the school or B lives closer to the school. So we can see clearly that distance OP, this distance OP is less than distance OQ. So from here we can say that A lives closer to a school than B. Here? Okay. Now moving on to second question, that is, it is asking whether A or B starts from the school earlier. Okay. Now we can see clearly that A is starting at time t equals to 0 and B is starting at some time t equals to, let's say, t1. Okay. And obviously t equals to 0 is less than t equals to t1. So we conclude that A starts from the school earlier than B. Okay. Then now the next question, that is whether A or B walks faster, whether A is moving faster or B is moving faster. So for this one, we'll draw perpendiculars from A and B. So this is the figure. Okay. Let's denote these points. Let's say this one as T2. Let's say this one as T3. Okay. So we can see clearly that student A or child A is covering less distance. We have already seen that OP is less than OQ. Okay. So a student A is covering less distance is more time from t equals to 0 to t equals to 3. At the same time, a student B who has started after A at T1 is covering more distance. OQ is covering distance OQ in less time from T1 equals to T2. Clearly, you can see that T1 equals to, from T1 to T2, time is less as compared to from T equals to 0 to T equals to 3. So, clearly, we conclude from here that B walks faster than A. Okay. In other words, we can say that the speed of B is more than the speed of A. Then, now, next question. The next question, whether A or B reach home at the same time or different time. Clearly, it is in shown here that B reaches the time at this time, that was we took it as T2 now, and A reaching its home at time equals to T3. So they are not reaching at same time. So the answer is different. Okay. Now the last question, whether A or B overtakes B or A on the road once or twice. So first question is, who is overtaking A? Obviously B is starting after A and B is overtaking A at this point. Okay. B has started after A and it reaches home earlier. So obviously at some point it is overtaking A and this is the point. Let's say this point as C. Okay. So this is the point where B is overtaking A. So the answer is B overtakes A on the road. And now once or twice. So here we can see clearly that B is overtaking A at just one point. So answer is once. So this was all about this question. We'll meet again with some another problem. Thank you.